Hi guys, so in this video I will be doing this burgundy cloud with some bling nail design, and I thought it was pretty cute, so if you're interested please keep on watching. So the first thing I need are press-on nails, so I'm just sizing them, and I got this, it was like 500 pieces for like $8 on Amazon, but I just checked yesterday and they raised up the price to $10, so I recommend other brands if there are any like cheaper options. And after sizing, I am just filing down the edges because sometimes they have like leftover plastic on the edge and it's not cute. So after filing, I am choosing my color. I was kind of debating between the burgundy and the orange, and I decided to use burgundy. So I'll be using 2 coats. This is gel polish, and I honestly really love this color. I just wear it by itself on like casual days, like for like a regular look. And then after curing for 30 seconds, I am applying the second coat. So again, cure for 30 seconds and then you're pretty much done with the burgundy. So now I'm just going to draw the cloud with my white nail polish, and I'm using this brush and putting the nail polish remover in the cap just in case I make any mistakes or just to wet the brush. And I know it's easier maybe to use like a stick to create this cloud look, but I kind of want it to be more like shady, like more pastel looking, not too white. So I was just using this brush because this is like a cheap brush that I bought from like Daiso for $1. So it wasn't really like showing off the colors as like well as like other brushes. So I mean, I was going for that look anyway, so that's why I'm using this brush. And the more I drew it, the more it didn't look like clouds, but I'm just moving on. And after the clouds, I'm going to clean up my brush and cure this for 60 seconds. After curing, I'm using this stick to create some dots so that I can put the blings on there later, so it's just kind of like a placeholder for now. And then cure for another 60 seconds. And I'll be using this bling kit that I got from Amazon, and with the smallest bling. And before I do that, I'm going to apply top coat to kind of use it as a glue to hold up the blings, but I know it's not as effective as like glue, like the actual glue, or like a builder gel. So if you're trying to let this bling stay on for like a while, I don't recommend just a top coat, but for me it's like a temporary thing, so I'm just using the top coat. I always struggle with this because it's just so hard to get like the individual bling out of that whole kit, but trying my best. So this is the finished look. I thought it was pretty cute. It was something different and really easy and simple. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it.